Afternoon, everyone. My name is Rakshanda Gaukar, presenting on topic difference between heat and temperature and its measurements. Content: Introduction, heat, difference between heat and temperature, measurements of heat, measurements of temperature, conclusion, references. Introduction: Air temperature is influenced by heat. Heat is a type of energy which makes things or object hot. For Earth, the sun is practically the sole source of heat. Heat is energy transferred into or out of an object because of temperature differences between that object and its surrounding. Temperature is a measure of the average kinetic energy of the atoms or molecules in a substance. Heat. The flow of energy occurs in three ways: conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction is transmission of heat from particle to particle. Convection is the heat energy which is distributed by the liquid or gaseous molecules in circling currents. Radiation, transfer of heat through electromagnetic waves. In this picture, we can see that heating of Earth's surface produces thermals of rising air that transport heat and moisture aloft. The rising air cools, and if it reaches the condensation level, clouds form. Rising warmer air and descending cooler air are an example of convective circulation. Radiation is the only mechanism of heat transfer that can travel through the vacuum of space and thus is responsible for solar energy reaching Earth. Difference between heat and temperature. First of all, we will see about what heat. Heat, energy which passes from one object to another due to temperature changes. Heat is measured in joule, calories, and kilocalories. Total amount of heat present in a particular body cannot be measured. It can be measured only during flow or exchange. Heat is not determined directly or an instrument. Temperature. Temperature is the changes with change in heat. Temperature is measured in Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin. Temperature is a particular body. Temperature of a particular body can be measured. Moreover, temperature does not flow. Temperature is directly determined by a thermometer. Measurements. Getting information or quantity of a object is known as measurements. Here it is the unit which measures heat and temperature of an object. Different types of thermometers are being used here with different scales, such as minimum maximum thermometer, mercury thermometer, aneroid barometer, etc. Measurements of heat. Joule. James Prescott Joule was born on December 24, 1818. Salford Lancashire, England. He died on October 11, 1889. English physicist who established the various energy forms: mechanical, electrical, and heat. Equation form: joules is equals to force into distance. In symbolic form, W is equals to F into D. Calories. Silbermann invented the calorie in 1852. In other text, German physician Julius Mayer invented calorie in 1848. Today, the calorie is defined in terms of the joule, that is, 1 calorie is equals to 4.184 joules. Kilocalories. This is the mechanical equivalent of heat. 1 kilocalorie is equals to 1000 calories. Measurements of temperature. Andreas Celsius. Andreas Celsius, the Celsius temperature scale is also referred to as the centigrade scale. Centigrade means consisting of or divided into 100 degrees. The Celsius scale invented by Swedish astronomer Andreas Celsius. 100 degrees between the freezing point 0 degrees Celsius and boiling point 100 degrees Celsius of pure water at sea level air pressure. The term Celsius was adopted in 1948 by an international conference on weights and measures. Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit was the German physicist who invented the alcohol thermometer in 1709 and the mercury thermometer in 1714. In 1724, he introduced the temperature scale that bears his name, Fahrenheit scale. On Fahrenheit scale, 32 degree Fahrenheit is the freezing point of water and 212 degree Fahrenheit is the boiling point. United States of America and England use the Fahrenheit scale for weather observation and other purposes. Lord William Thomson Kelvin, named after Sir William Thomson, Lord Kelvin, who devised it. Lord Kelvin took the whole process one step further with his invention to the Kelvin scale in 1848. The Kelvin scale measures the ultimate extremes of hot and cold. Kelvin developed an idea of absolute temperature, what is called second law of thermodynamics, and developed the dynamical theory of heat. Conclusion: heat is transfer of energy and cannot be measured directly. Heat is average temperature is average of kinetic energy can be measured directly. There are different scales to measure heat and temperature such as Joule, Celsius, Kelvin, Fahrenheit, etc. These temperature scales are invented by different physics. Mostly and conveniently used scale is Celsius and Fahrenheit. These measurements are very important in our day-to-day life. These are references. Thank you.